Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As our past almost 27 video we have completed, and here I have done everything about a building design check, and also a model, provide load, design complete design check, and after that we complete our building check. And in this video I will show you about beam and column design. I'll open my previous model, and this is my previous model. If you don't know about that, you can watch our previous video, because from A to Z I have explained and try to describe about that properly. And so first of all, these are model, so we'll model that for only for beam and column, and we'll design our slab in safe. And also I'll show you here how to design our slab in Etabs, but actually we will design our slab and foundation in safe. It will be very systematic. So first of all, we'll go here and we'll check our load case. Our load case are okay. Then we'll check our load combination also. Our load combination are okay. Then we'll delete that envelope, it's no need right now, so it's okay. Now we'll go for our here, click here and view or revise preferences. So from here, design code, I mean which code we want to follow for design. So I want to follow ACI 318.14 code. From here 314 code, and there is the important two thing that you have to change here. Phi, I mean tension controlled, phi compression controlled, and phi compression controlled spiral. And here for phi shear and tension, and phi shear seismic, phi joint shear. So from here, and there also have pattern live load factor, and here you have to change that value if it's required. As I'm using ACI, so it should be default like that. So then go okay, and if you need to change that, you can check that, change that, then okay. Again go here for bar selection, reverse selection. So for reverse selection, here you'll find that reverse selection rule for column, reverse selection rule for column and beam. So click here, and from here you have to click that detailing for non-seismic requirement, and here is the detailing for seismic requirement, as there we have also a seismic and non-seismic value. So from here we'll select smallest bar size, we'll select smallest bar size is 12 millimeter, and for column, sorry, it's 16 and maximum 20. You can select that as your requirement. So 16 and 20, and here tie bar, you have to select for tie bar smallest bar size, suppose 10, and longest bar size in 12. And here minimum spacing 2 inch and maximum spacing 18 inch. So it's okay. And then again we'll go for here. If you didn't select that, it will select automatically, but if you have any requirement for that, you can select it. So from here, smallest bar size, it's also 16 and 20, it's 22. And from here, smallest bar size, from here and smallest bar size for tie bar, suppose 10 and 12. You can increase that as your requirement, and it's let it default. Also you can change that as your requirement. So okay, then go for beam, and from here you have to change for beam the smallest part size. If you select that, so from here smallest bar size 12 and largest bar size suppose 20. For top river and preferred river 14, and maximum number of bar, sorry, minimum number of bar 2. And also here bottom, for bottom select same. I'm also telling you that you can take it as your requirement, and for each drop it should be 10 minimum and maximum 12, and minimum spacing 3 and maximum spacing 24. And here detailing for seismic requirement, select like previous 12, 20, 14, 12, 20, 14, like that way. Also here 10 instead of to 12, 10 to 12. Okay, so from here like that way you have to select your river selection. Okay, we have completed that. Now it's okay, and now we'll go for select design combination. From here we're seeing that all combination are here. Suppose this combination can be in that side, so you have to select wall like that way. I mean, first of all click on it and go down, and then release and click here. Okay, then okay, so we have added our all properties for design. Now we'll go for analysis. After analysis we'll go for design. And if you're new here, you can watch our previous video if you think that it's required. So our design have our analysis have completed. Now we'll go for design check. So click here, work from here, design, from your concrete frame, and start design or check, or from here start design or check, or shift plus F6. So I'll click here, start design check. It is going to check our building. Here I have done that. So now I'll go here, verify wall analysis versus design section. Here all analysis and design section match for all concrete frame. Again I'll go here, and from here verify all member passed. I mean, this option we have to check that wall member are pass our design criteria. So it's also showing that wall concrete frame passed the design check. And at first time there is not okay. I have recheck, and after different check, I mean after different try and error procedure, it being okay. And you can watch previous video for that, how to complete your beam frame or how to complete your column frame for design criteria. So our all are okay. Now we'll hide our frame, so I mean slab. From here click floor and wall, we'll select unselect 2 and press apply. Okay, so here we're seeing that there all are frame available here. Now at first we'll check for our column elevation. apply. Here we're seeing that this is all for our column. It is showing the reinforcement 1.8 inches square, 1.8 inches square. It's showing 1.8 inches square area, 1.88 inches square. For that I can go for another. Here it's showing 3.4214 inches square, and like that way we have to do that. I can go, and in this video I will not check for that if someone is not okay, some column is not here. You are seeing that it's showing 4.38 inches square. Here it's showing 5.651 inches square. Some beam and column are showing much more reinforcement, and for that we'll go for here design info. We'll go for here for percent river. So from here we're showing that it's showing all 1%, 1.8%, 2.06%, and you have to remember that it should be less than 3.5% reinforcement for residential building for column, and below 6% for commercial building. For every portion we'll go for check, and here for every portion we're seeing that it's okay. It's also showing that it's okay for all column, and I have done that by using different trial and error methods, error procedure. So you can watch our previous video to understand that how we'll pass that design requirement. Now we'll go for beam, apply, okay. Here you are seeing that it's showing the percentage of beam, which percent of reinforcement are required for top and bottom. So I will show it in reinforcement according to area. So here it's showing that the required area for our reinforcement, and I'll go for down, 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 and down. So you all are showing that, seeing that here our all value are showing that it's the area of reinforcement in inches square. You can also change that the value from here. From here you can change that according to requirement. You can change your unit. So like that way you have to design your beam and column, and in next video I'll show you about building detailing. So S12, stay connected till next video, and if you think that this is helpful for you, just break the like button so that I can understand it is helpful for you. So thank you very much. S12, stay connected till next video.